Every function in your body depends on chemistry and on electricity. Membrane potentials, ion gradients, nerve signaling. These bioelectrical processes coordinate how our cells work. Modern medicine targets biochemical pathways with remarkable precision. But the electrical dimension is often left unaddressed. This is eMedica, a non-invasive platform built on controlled voltage, current, and frequency. eMedica is complementary. It is designed to support medical care, never to replace it. Chemical medicine, bioelectrical support, and physical rehabilitation together. A more comprehensive approach to patient care. Electrical stimulation is indication and parameter specific. Evidence for one modality should not be generalized to another. Always used under qualified healthcare supervision. eMedica. Science, balance, healing. Always used under qualified healthcare supervision. eMedica. Science, balance, healing.